solve for x squared equals 6x using factoring. So we're going to solve for x squared equals 6x using the factoring. So the first thing to do is we're going to change this one into standard form. So atong buhaton is atong i-transpose ang 6x sa left side. So when we transpose or kung atong ibalhin, mausab ang sign sa 6x. So may mo siyang 4x squared minus 6x equals 0. So after this, we can now factor this one, no? So in order to factor 4x squared minus 6x equals 0, so pangitaon usa na to ang greatest common factor sa 4x squared o sa 6x. So in order to find the greatest common factor, atong i-factor completely, no, ang 4x squared o 6x. So as much as possible, ang ilahang coefficients must be factored in let's say in prime numbers, or let's say nga prime factors ang ato ang coefficients. So may kag prime, so it's only one and itself naman na, or wala na ilahing factor ana, no, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, no. So much for that. So let us factor 4x squared. So ang factor sa 4 kay 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times x times x. Then 6x, so that is equals 2 times 3 times x. Pag common, kuha na to ang common factor sa 4x squared ug 6x. So boni, usa sa common factor ang 2 ug usa sa common factor sa ang x. So ang common factor na to atong i-solve. So that is 2 times x, so that is equals 2x. So ang 2x mo niya to ang first factor sa 4x squared minus 6x equals 0, no? So may mo siyang 2x times. So how are we going to obtain the second factor? So ang buhato na to, ang kaning 4x squared minus 6x atong i-divide sa 2x. So it becomes 4x squared over 2 na to, itasatagsa na to over 2x, then minus 6x over 2x, then equals 0. Then after that, copy the 2x times, so 4 divided by 2, that is 2, x squared divided by x, that's x, then minus 6 divided by 2, that is 3, x divided by x is 1, so 2x minus 3, so equals 0. So mo ni ang factor sa 4x squared minus 6x equals 0. So 2x times 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then we're going to solve, no? Solve this one. Ato nining i-split into 2. The first one is 2x equals 0, and the second is 2x minus 3 equals 0. So unaon na tong 2x equals 0, so i-divide na to siya by 2. So x equals 0. So mo na ang first value sa x. How about the second? So atong i-transpose ang negative 3 sa right, so it becomes 2x equals negative 3. Oh no, sorry. So may mo siyang 2x equals 3 di. So ma-positive siya. So atong usbo na, correction tape lang nako. So that is 2x equals 3. Okay, gikan sa negative, transpose sa right, positive. So divided by 2. So x equals 3 over 2.